This is the ultimate betrayal of traditional camping. In America, hitting the open road is no longer about pitching tents or roughing it in the woods. It's about a multi-billion-dollar arms race of pure, rolling excess. Today, the richest 1% are abandoning five-star hotels to build high-tech, windowless fortresses on wheels that cost more than a Beverly Hills mansion. From a $60,000 tactical adventure van to a massive off-grid carbon fiber military explorer and a $3 million land yacht that literally hides a supercar inside its belly, these are the 7 levels of American RVs. The wild is calling, and luxury is about to conquer it. Level 1. The Stepping Stone, the Winnebago Solis. Starting at around $60,000 used, this is the poster child for the modern #vanlife movement. Built on the rugged Ram ProMaster chassis, it features a stealth gray exterior and a fiberglass pop-top roof that expands into a tent in under 5 seconds. Inside, it's all tactical minimalism. Heavy-duty composite materials, a hidden wet bath with a manual cassette toilet, and a flexible rear Murphy bed that folds up to store mountain bikes. Winnebago targets the younger, work-from-anywhere tech elite here. The profit margins are small, but it serves as a crucial entry gateway, hooking buyers into the ecosystem early so they stay loyal when they're ready to upgrade to the rolling penthouses at the top. But when you grow tired of plastic trim and cramped van interiors, you have to look at the most recognizable silhouette in American history, a vehicle that turns aircraft-grade aluminum into pure emotional gold. Welcome to Level 2. Level 2, the aluminum icon. The Airstream Classic 33FB, costing an insane $190,000, this is a masterclass in high-margin nostalgia engineering. The exterior features thousands of hand-riveted aluminum panels, polished to a mirror sheen, taking over 350 hours to assemble. Inside, the retro vibe vanishes. It's a luxury apartment with a residential rear bathroom, a heated towel bar, a Kohler touchscreen smart shower, and a power-tilting queen bed. Everything is controlled via a centralized digital command console that monitors tank levels and deploys the massive powered awning. Airstream isn't just selling a camper here, they are selling instant status. While an Airstream is classic, it's still just one fixed room. To see what happens when engineers use heavy hydraulic pressure to physically expand a trailer into a multi-room suburban estate, you have to step up to Level 3. Level 3, the fifth wheel mansion. The Jayco Pinnacle 38 FLGS. Pushing past $150,000 and measuring a massive 44 feet, this monster requires a heavy-duty dually truck just to move it. Once parked, it deploys 5 separate hydraulic slide-out rooms, expanding the interior width to over 14 feet. The front living room features an electric fireplace, theater seating with built-in massage modules, and a 50-inch TV that rises out of a hidden countertop. With dual-pane tinted windows and residential-grade insulation, it keeps the climate perfect whether you're in a 110-degree desert or a sub-zero winter. It's built for affluent remote workers who want a luxury home that can change zip codes on a whim. But luxury apartments and manicured RV parks mean absolutely nothing when civilization collapses or when the road completely ends. If you want to survive the absolute end of the world in carbon fiber opulence, look at Level 4. Level 4, the extreme expedition vehicle, the EarthRoamer SX. This level exits the civilian market for tactical, off-grid military luxury. The price? A staggering $1.1 million. Built on a commercial Chevy Silverado 6500 4x4 chassis, its living module is a single-piece, vacuum-infused carbon fiber body chemically bonded to the frame. It rides on massive 43-inch military-grade Michelin tires with a central tire inflation system to crawl through any terrain. Inside, you find custom maple cabinetry and a wine cellar, powered by a massive 18 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank and a 1600-watt solar array. Carrying 250 gallons of fresh water, it allows the paranoid elite to disappear into the wild for months without ever plugging in. But while the EarthRoamer is built to crash through mud, the corporate elite prefer to glide over asphalt. Behind the next door is a 24-ton Titan that can be steered with just one finger. Level 5, the corporate flagship, the Newmar King Air 4521. This 45-foot Class A diesel pusher represents the peak of mainstream highway travel, costing $1.6 million. Powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel, it features an intelligent steering system that counteracts crosswinds, allowing you to steer this 24-ton Titan with one finger. The interior boasts heated porcelain tile floors, backlit wood ceilings, and a Sony theater system with a drop-down projection screen. The master suite includes a private stacked washer-dryer and a spa-style glass shower. Newmar builds this for high-net-worth executives and country stars who want to tour the continent without ever stepping into a commercial airport terminal. But even $1 million Newmar is built on a standard commercial line. To reach the true peak of road travel, you have to enter a secret world where vehicles are custom-built for Formula One drivers and private oil magnates. Level 6. The Paddock King. The Featherlite Vanterre. A custom-commissioned masterpiece scaling past $2.5 million. Built on an industrial Prevost passenger bus shell, Featherlite strips it to bare metal and installs aircraft-grade aluminum slide-out mechanisms. This is the level used by elite Formula One drivers and NASCAR team owners. The interior is fully bespoke, featuring hand-selected Italian marble, marine-grade leather, and a military-spec Crestron automation system that controls everything via an iPad. Unlike standard RVs that rattle on the highway, the Prevost structure is so rock-solid it stays dead silent at 80 miles per hour, offering total privacy in a high-profile sports paddock. But there is one final boss. A vehicle so absurdly engineered, it doesn't just cost more than a mansion, it literally swallows an exotic supercar whole. Get ready for Level 7. Level 7, the ultimate sovereign. The Volkner Mobile Performance S. This ultra-sleek, German-engineered behemoth costs a jaw-dropping $3 million. Why? Because it doesn't just cost more than a supercar, it literally swallows one. Its crowning feature is a patented central underbelly garage. At the press of a button, a hydraulic platform slides out from between the wheels, allowing you to park a Bugatti, Porsche, or Ferrari right inside the belly of the RV. Inside, it's a hyper-luxury yacht featuring a $100,000 Burmester audio system, hand-finished real wood veneers, and commercial Miele appliances. Powered by a massive rooftop solar grid, this is the absolute ceiling of mobile luxury for the global elite who refuse to compromise. From the rugged mountain bike-hauling Maverick van to the hypercar-swallowing belly of the Volkner Mobile, the American dream of the open road has evolved into an absolute monument to engineering excess. The wilderness hasn't changed, but the weapons we use to conquer it certainly have. The only question left is, how much luxury can you handle before you miss the dirt? Let me know in the comments which level you're moving into, and hit that subscribe button for more deep breakdowns of the world's most extreme machines.